Now we introduce the 8-in-1 multifunction hydrofacial machine. This is the spray mix gun, oxygen injector, skin scrubber, BIO, ultrasound, Hydra dermabrasion handle, and tips. This is the micro dermabrasion handle and its tips, the plug, and the PDT light. Let's start to install the machine. This is the Hydra dermabrasion handle, and we could insert to this hole. The small tube insert to the small hole, and the big tube insert to the big hole. Now we insert. When you want to pull out of this handle, you have to press this black button, and then pull out. The same. Okay, now we insert again. And the same installation of the micro dermabrasion handle. The small tube insert to the small hole, and the big tube insert to the big hole. Finish. And the next step, we insert the ultrasonic working handle. And you can find there are 5 needles inside the handle, and we have to match to this hole. And you can find the arrow must be up, and then insert. You'll hear a sound, then finish. And when you want to pull out of this handle, you have to press this silver button, and then now insert again. And the next working handle is the BIO. The same installation with the ultrasonic handle. You will find there are 4 needles inside, and you should put the arrow up and then insert. Finish. Okay, the next step, we install the skin scrubber working handle. And you can find the hole we should match, and then insert. Then tie it. The next working handle is the oxygen injector. We have to insert to this hole. Before installation, we have to make sure this position must be up, and then insert. You will hear sound. When you want to pull out of this working handle, you have to press the silver button like this, and then now we insert. And the next working handle is the spray mix gun. When you want to install the spray mix gun, we have to take out of the oxygen injector handle first, and then insert. Finish. Now we adjust the shelf to the suitable position, and then tie it. And the next, we put the PDT light inside the machine, and then insert the screw, the 2 screws, and then use a tool to tie it. And finally, we insert the PDT light. We should match the hole here, and then insert. And tie it. is the wastewater bottle. This is the big one and the small one. When the wastewater is full, we have to insert this tube to this hole and then turn this button, this brake button, and then the wastewater will come out from the wastewater bottle. When you want to close it and then turn this brake button, it's okay. And when you want to take out of this tube, you should press the brake button here and then. And for the small wastewater bottle, we can use a towel, press the button like this, and the wastewater will come out from the small wastewater bottle. Now we enter into the screen. You will see different functions here: Hydra dermabrasion and the microdermabrasion. You can see we can adjust the time here and choose the bottle here, and then start. And the next function is the BIO handle. You can adjust the time and the strength here too. Oxygen injector, the same. You can choose the mode here. And the next function is the oxygen spray mix gun. Time increase or decrease. And this is the ultrasonic. Adjust time and the strength, the same. Skin scrubber and the PDT light. For the PDT light, there are different color for option. You can choose here. And also adjust the strength here, also the mode, and then start. Okay, the first step is the skin scrubber. Before doing the skin scrubber treatment, you have to put some water on the face, on the treatment part. And it can be used individual. Now we start the treatment. The first step, microdermabrasion handle. You have to choose the bottle first. You can see there are 4 bottles. Now we choose the second one and then start. You will see the vacuum and the water level. You can adjust the suitable water level and the vacuum to the client. Okay, now we start. The next step is Hydra dermabrasion handle. The same as microdermabrasion handle, you have to choose the bottle first and then start the treatment. The next step is the spray mix gun. Before doing the treatment, we have to put the solution inside the working handle, like this. And you can adjust the water level behind the working handle. Okay, now we start the treatment. The next step is the oxygen injector. You can adjust the time and the modes on the screen, and then start. Before doing the BIO and the ultrasonic working handle, we have to put the gel on the treatment part first. Okay, start the BIO treatment. You can adjust the strength on the screen. Normally, we will start from the lowest level. Start the treatment. The next step is the ultrasonic treatment. We can adjust the time and the strength on the screen, and then start. Okay, now we start the PDT treatment. There are different colors for option.